Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to rename a printer on Windows 10 control panel. For this, first click on this one start button and type control panel. In the search results, click on this one control panel entry. Under control panel, set view Y to category. Then click on this one hardware and sound category. Then click on devices and printers. Select the printer you want to rename and right click on it. Then select printer properties option in the pop-up menu. Under printer properties, click on this one change properties button. Then under general tab, change the name of the printer according to your choice and click on this one OK button. This will change that particular printer name on your Windows 10 PC.